Hello everybody, thank you for purchasing this lessons. So as you're gonna see, so we're gonna learn how to create WordPress websites. It's gonna look like this or this one. There are a lot of pretty good websites that are using WordPress. So how do I know this one is a WordPress? So I can check on this link. Okay, as you can see, it's gonna redirect me to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is WordPress, and for this one, if you do the same one, if you do the same thing, you're not going to be allowed to see this page, because as you can see, the error 404. But as I am the owner of this website, I know where is the link. So as you can see now, okay, I can change the dashboard admin link. So now you have seen the WordPress page. So what is WordPress? Well, WordPress, it's a solution, open source software, so you can create a website, a blog. That website could be a blog or e-com store or an app. There's a lot of themes, free themes, and there are some of paid plugins that's gonna make the things easier for you. For this one, I'm using a plugin. It's also responsive for the mobile version. Okay, as you can see here. So for this one, it's all configured, so we're not going to add anything. For the support, you can use documentation or whatever. So the plan here is to make the first thing, getting a host and domain, getting the SSL, as I'm going to explain later, create the WordPress solution, install whatever plugins we need, install the theme. We're gonna create and add new pages, and finally it's gonna be a lot of fun. Hopefully, so you're gonna have something new in this lecture. Thank you very much.